Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook elk round steak. First, understand that this lean cut benefits greatly from proper preparation. Tenderizing is absolutely essential to break down the muscle fibers, preventing a chewy result. Following this, a good marinade will infuse flavor and moisture, making your steak incredibly delicious and tender. These initial steps are key to a successful dish. To tenderize, you can pound the steak evenly to about 1/2 inch thick using a meat mallet, or simply score both sides with a sharp knife. For the marinade, combine an acid like balsamic vinegar, a good quality olive oil, and seasonings such as garlic, rosemary, and black pepper. Submerge the steak completely and let it marinate for at least 2 hours, or for maximum tenderness, 24 hours. When cooking, pan searing or grilling are excellent choices. Heat your pan or grill to medium-high. Cook the steak for about 3 to 5 minutes per side, depending on thickness, to develop a beautiful sear. Remember, elk is lean, so avoid overcooking. Aim for a medium-rare doneness, which typically means an internal temperature of 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. After cooking, it's crucial to let your steak rest. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is succulent. A resting period of 5 to 10 minutes is usually sufficient. When ready, slice the steak thinly against the grain. This shortens the muscle fibers, making it much more tender to eat. Enjoy your delicious elk round steak with your favorite side dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.